back. So you remember the book that we did last time? I can't remember the name, but now we're gonna read this book called Why I Love My Daddy. This is one of my favorite books, illustrated by Daniel Howard. So let's start. Why I love my daddy. I love my daddy because he is big and strong. I see that Lion King's dad are always big and strong. I love my daddy because he is clever. Yeah, owls are kind of clever. I love my daddy because he keeps me safe and clean. These are all of the other pennies. I love my daddy because he carries me. I love my daddy because we have these dots. As you can see, these dots. For those dots, we have to make a little bit more exciting. Why? I love my daddy because he is handsome. That's true. I love my daddy because he is funny. I love my daddy because he hugs me good night. I love my daddy because he fixes things. I love my daddy because he is kind. I love my daddy because he's my best friend. Everyone loves their daddy, especially me. This is the end of the book, and this is a little blurb. This is the blurb at the back. Everyone loves their daddy, especially you. So let's go on the last page. We see it has the same note. This note says, everyone loves their daddy, especially me. Everyone loves their daddy. But when it says, in this part, it says, especially me. On this part, it says, especially